This is the iCUE QL Series RGB PWM fan. It has 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs across 4 distinct light loops, so you can give your PC spectacular lighting from any angle. The QL RGB comes in both 120 and 140mm versions and are engineered to combine incredible RGB lighting with good airflow and low noise operation. The quad light loops and 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs can be seen from either side, front or back, so no matter your fan's orientation, whether push or pull, your lighting effects can be seen in all their glory. When combined with Corsair iCUE RGB controllers and our iCUE software, the QL's unique lighting enables you to get really creative with effects. We've crafted some unbelievable lighting presets, fully utilizing the 4 light loops and 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs. The QL series are visually stunning, but they're also whisper quiet. With PWM control, you can set your fan speeds up to 1500 RPM, pushing 41.8 CFM on the 120mm and 50.2 on the 140mm. This allows you to tune each fan to get that perfect balance between performance and noise. Additionally, the anti-vibration rubber dampers help reduce vibration, noise, and transfer. The iCUE QL RGB PWM fan with its 4 distinct light loops is the coolest looking fan we've ever made. And for those who want the best lighting for their build, the QL offers the most creative lighting effects to date, which look simply stunning from every angle. To learn more about the QL, visit Corsair.com.
What's up guys, Adam here, and today I'm excited to talk about our brand new RGB fan. Now I know, another RGB fan. Before you go and start making a bunch of comments, let's take a look at this thing. Honestly, I think you're gonna love it. Our new LL RGB series fans come in both 120 and 140mm and have been engineered to produce vivid RGB lighting, quiet, low noise operation, and great airflow. Now in the past, we've had fans with LEDs around the perimeter, and we've had fans with LEDs in the hub. But the LL series has both. These dual light loops contain 16 vibrant RGB LEDs, all covered by a diffuse opaque material. This unlocks an insane amount of potential for lighting effects that have been made available to you via Corsair Link, with classic presets like Rainbow Wave, Color Shift, and Visor. But we've also added some new additions. My personal favorite is Pong. With the included Lighting Node Pro and Corsair Link, you can get really creative with all of the lighting effects across your build, and sync it with any Corsair compatible component. The LL fans are designed to be seen and not heard. With PWM control, you can tune speeds for the perfect balance of performance and noise. We've engineered these fans to provide awesome lighting effects without sacrificing performance. They're gonna look amazing in any build you do. To find out more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Hi guys, Harry here. The Corsair ML series are the go-to fans for the most incredible builds and elite systems. Since we launched them last year, we've had quite a few of you asking us for a little splash of RGB. We're happy to say that today we're announcing our ML Pro RGB series fans, bringing RGB lighting and great performance to your system. Combining magnetic levitation technology and vivid RGB lighting creates a stunning combination of performance and style. The ML series uses a magnetic levitation bearing, which physically levitates the fan rotor away from the fan housing. This dramatically reduces friction within the fan. This allows the ML series to deliver outstanding static pressure, great airflow, and low noise levels. Each fan features 4 individually controlled RGB LEDs built right into the center fan hub for an awesome show of light and color. PWM control allows you to adjust your fan speed, letting you minimize noise or maximize cooling. When paired with the Corsair Commander Pro, you can completely stop your fans at low temperatures, eliminating fan noise entirely. The ML Pro RGB series of fans is completely customizable. Using Corsair Link, you can access a wide array of pre-configured lighting profiles and then customize them to suit your build. If you want to take your customization a step further, the ML Pro RGB series fans feature replaceable corner caps, available in a range of colors. ML Pro RGB fans are available in a 3-fan 120mm pack, a 2-fan 140mm pack, or individually available as expansions to the kits. Whichever size you choose, ML Pro RGB series fans look fantastic and deliver great airflow to your next build. To find out more, check out Corsair.com.